Hi guys, I'm Canine Crooner from Austin here, and today I am going to be ranting on the Anderson community because the Andersons are sock puppet accounts. The Andersons are sock puppets. They're sock puppet accounts. So, if you like the Andersons, I respect your opinion. As long as you respect mine. Enjoy the video. The Andersons? What? More like sock puppet accounts. Oh my gosh. These Andersons now suck. I'm going to explain reasons why that I hate these Anderson sock puppets. Number 1. The Andersons did so many lies. Yeah, so in the video here about Agnes's gender, and I know who is behind the counts. It was James Parker and Rosie. These are the two people are behind the Anderson sock puppet accounts. So, do you know who loves the Andersons? But people used to love the Andersons, but not anymore. And do you know who hates the Anderson sock puppets? Me, Gaming Master, and so many others. We hate these Anderson sock puppet accounts in a burning passion. So, the Anderson sock puppet accounts suck. And so does the UTTP users. Gaming Master is so many times better than these Anderson sock puppets. End of rant. If you have any request about my rants, check on the comments below. This is me, on my channel,